If there's a sound effect you guys want to hear when you start playing a target practice with a Nerf gun, then this is the perfect sound. But when you hit the middle, another sound you might want to hear when you start a target practice game isn't that special. That's the timer. But want better sound? When you start another game like practicing targets. Oh, we did that one already. This one. One of my favorite sound effects in this mode is this. That's another way to play target practice, but you guys need to remember, sometimes you may want to hit these. Yeah, either those three, or you may want to hit the middle. Here's one of my favorite sounds, and I'll play it again. That's a long sound, by the way. Okay, so those are all the sounds you may want to hear when you set up target practice for Nerf guns. I always use my Zuru gun thingy, or whatever it's called. Yeah, the Insanity combo, which I hadn't played with for a long time. Everything is underneath my bed, along with my guitars, and I do not have, fortunately I do not have any batteries for the Ragefire, and the barrel's a little bit messed up on Mega Barrel, but it still works. So yeah, those are the sound effects you guys may want to hear when you play target practice. Thanks for watching and goodbye.